Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see Maharashtra State Board Class 10 Science 2 Chapter number 9 Social Health, and this is the part 2 of this particular chapter. In a part 1 already we have discussed about the social factors or the factors affecting the social health. Then after that we talked about the factors disturbing the social health, that is the mental stress and the addictions, incurable diseases. Then after that the communication media and the excessive use of a modern technology. These things already we have discussed in the previous video. In this particular video especially we are going to talk about the cyber crime. As we know nowadays, the use of the modern technologies are much more, so the rate of the cyber crime is also going up and up. So we should be very careful while using this particular technology. And here are some of the examples they have given, like the bank continuously spread the message on mobile phones that do not disclose your Aadhaar card number, that is the unique identification UID numbers, then the PAN card, credit card, debit cards, their PIN, their ATM codes or the OTP codes, whatever you are getting on your cell phone related with your banks or your personal identifications, you should not disclose on the phone unless and until you are complete satisfied with the front persons, whoever is on call. But in a 99% cases, avoid this kind of a verifications. You should not take it this kind of a calls on grant. The further is, do not disclose your PIN to anyone while withdrawing cash from the ATM machines or any time. It's not only about the ATM machines. Anywhere, don't disclose your any PIN to anyone. Consumers are deceived by showing superior items on websites but actually selling the items of either inferior quality or the impaired ones. So that also you have to take care. Then the bank transactions are done using PIN without the knowledge of consumers. So that should not happen. Then the further is a confidential information about government institutes and the companies is obtained from internet with the help of a computer programs or other ideas and misused. This is called as a hacking of information. Nowadays, crimes like opening a fake account on Facebook and displaying false information and thereby teasing the girls or exploiting them financially. So, these things are also happening. So, you should be very careful and you should be totally aware of all the friends in your friend list. It's not like that someone is someone's friend and you are joining that with your account. This should not happen because creating a fake IDs on the Facebook accounts are very simple nowadays. So you should be very careful. You should know each and every person individually that this is this particular person. Then only add them in your friend list. Otherwise, don't allow any unknown person in your friend list. Further, as a misuse or illegal sale of the written literature, software, photos, videos, music, etc. of others by obtaining from internet is called as piracy. Further, as electronic media is also misused by sending derogatory messages, spreading vulgar pictures, and the inflammatory statements. Exchange of information through media like a email, Facebook, and a WhatsApp occurs very fast. However, our personal information and the phone numbers are automatically spread and thereby reaches the unwanted persons, which leads to malpractices like incoming unnecessary messages. Some of such messages either impair or shut down the mobiles and computers. So this kind of things are going on. The next one is stress management. Various ways of expressions like establishing communication with the friends, peers, cousins, teachers, and more importantly, parents, noting down our feeling, expressing our feeling with near and dear ones help us to receive the or relieve the stress. So stress can be removed when you are speaking, when you are discussing it with your elders, with your friends. So that reduces the stress, and the stress level should be down and it should be properly managed for the good social health. The further thing what we have discussed over here is a unified movement against tobacco. This movement has been started by 45 different well-known organizations like WHO, Tata Trust, etc. The movement is active for controlling the tobacco consumption and providing guidance to activists against tobacco. Then the Salam Mumbai Foundation, the organization runs programs in various schools in Mumbai to empower the children living in slum area in the field of education, sports, arts, and business. The organization encourages the children to take education by helping them to improve their health and lifestyle. The trust has made some districts in Maharashtra completely tobacco free through hard work. Since the year 2002, this organization is working with various schools in urban and rural areas for making the society tobacco free. This program is being implemented with the help of government in about 200 schools in Mumbai and 14,000 schools in the rest of the Maharashtra. The oath of freedom from tobacco is taken in every school as per the government letter. Government schemes, there is a phone number or the helpline numbers are published in newspaper to help the children in distress or facing any type of problem. Children contact the helpline to narrate their problems. Proper help and guidelines are offered to children. So this is all about the social health. Only the one thing at the last is if a child and the individual is healthy, automatically the society will be healthy, and we can say that it's having or we are having a good social health.